going to discuss about the rise and fall of Xerox. Okay. Uh, so we are just discussing about how company rise and how company fall on our channel. Now let's discuss about this also. Now, for the much of the 20th century, Xerox was the most influential technology company in the world. The company revolutionized the office work by inventing the modern photocopy technology. In fact, the brand became so dominant that people using old Xerox for making copies. Okay, now for decades, Xerox dominated the global copier market and generate very enormous amount of the profit also. Then at the time it has around 70% of global photocopy market. Okay, understanding its dominance and influence in the office also, it has shaped the both business and practice in the culture also. Then how it becomes a failure. And now, despite inventing the revolutionary technology, Xerox I have failed to turn into successful commercial product. Means that engineer it Xerox PARC created technology that later became central to the personal computer, like graphics interface, computer mouse, laser printing also. But the Xerox management focused mainly on protecting its profitable copier business rather than developing a new computer market. Okay, then the competitor, they were capitalizing idea on Xerox. Okay, means that competitor, they were capitalizing on the Xerox idea, means they were copying. I think Steve Jobs. So at that time, they he tried to copy it at that time. Let's discuss about that also. Other company quickly recognized the potential of this innovation. Firms like Apple adopted the concepts such as graphical user interface, mass-driven computing for the personal computer. These ideas later spread all across the entire technology industry, generating very enormous amount of profit for the competitor. Instead of Xerox, means that each competitor made a much more revenue and profit rather than Xerox, because it failed to capitalize, means it failed to scale its idea also. Then strategic focus on wrong market. Okay, while the technology industry mainly shifted towards the personal computer and digital system, Xerox remained heavily focused on the office photocopier. The limited ability to compete in the emerging technology sector also, while the new competitor were, they were growing very rapidly also. Then the another reason was the rising competitor and the market change. Okay, means that as the copier industry get matured, then the many competitor emerge into the market, such as Canon, Rishon began offering such the stronger alternative also. So reducing the Xerox market dominance, they tried to capture the market of Xerox also. Then long-term decline means that although the Xerox continue operating and attempted various restructuring strategy, but it never remained the technological leadership it once held. Okay, now company gradually shifted its business towards the document management solution also, so that what is its final lesson means that it showcase us about the innovation alone is not enough. The company must recognize its true value and its invention and successfully bring them to the market also. By failing to capitalize on its own groundbreaking technology, Xerox allowed a competitor to build the massive industry based on idea it's originally created. Okay, so hope all of you understand my point. And now the main reason that Xerox has failed is about the innovation, means that it failed to capitalize and scale its idea. But Apple and another competitor tried and they became the largest company. Still, Apple is more than the $3 trillion market cap also. Then the competitor, then strategic focus also. They mainly focus on the wrong market. So they were just limited in the office rather than much more other wide sector also. Then the long term means they just focused on short term in just generating revenue rather than innovating or creating or any kind of a good product. Okay, now hope all of you understand something new about this, and if you have any feedback, then try to comment on our comment section, and I'll try you to respond as soon as possible. Okay, have a great day.